Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to remove profile tokens in League of Legends. If you want to remove the tokens from your League of Legends profile, it cannot be removed by any normal means and you have to use some trickery. In order to do that, firstly close off your client. Now search for League of Legends and open it. Now after you open the client, you have to press your profile as fast as you can, then double tap on the edit button. I'll show you practically how you can do it. So firstly click on your profile and double click on your edit profiles button. Now as you can see, the tokens are gone and you can enjoy the game as you did previously.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.